Okay, so welcome to week 6, and this is a big week because your first big paper is due. And I want you guys to know that you've actually been working on this paper because you've been working on this in your discussions. So you can use the same article that you used in your discussions, or if you want to use a different one, that is totally fine as well. The key is follow directions and absolutely support everything. And by the way, this is not a normal paper where you're going to have a thesis and you're going to support that thesis. This is a paper where you're doing an analysis of an argument. So you're critiquing an argument. We're also going to be doing the reading in chapter 4, and you have a quiz this week. And this is going to be the last week for inductive logic. And if you guys will see, next week we're going to start propositional logic, so we're switching over to deductive logic. So if you guys have any questions about the paper, feel free to email me, and I'm happy to help. Good luck.